Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you go about sending money through the Venmo app to friends and family, for instance. So what you want to do from the homepage of the Venmo application is go down to the bottom and find where it says pay or request and click on that. And that takes us to this area where you can either type in the name of the person that you want to send funds to, you can type in their Venmo username, you can type in their phone number or the email that you want to send these funds over to. Below that, there's also the option where you can scan or show your QR code. So whoever you want to send these funds to, if they have a QR code for you to scan, just click this option down here. Otherwise, we're going to type in the name, username, phone, or email for who we want to send these funds to. So let's just say, for instance, I wanted to send through an email. So I'm going to type in an email right here. So I typed in an email for the individual that I want to send funds to. And if it's a person that you're looking for, be sure to have the People tab selected here and then select the email or phone number or whatever you had typed in down here to confirm who you want to send these funds to. And if it's a business, you can also click the Business tab to try to find the business that you want to send those funds over to. But for me, it's going to be in the People section, so I'm going to click on the email to confirm. So then at this point, what you have to do is enter in how much funds that you want to send. So let's say I wanted to send $10, and then you put in what it's for. Let's say I owed this individual $10 for lunch. So then in this area, I would just type in paying for lunch. And at that point, you go to the bottom right-hand corner and click where it says pay to send these funds. Or if you're requesting the funds from someone else, then you click the request option. So for me, since I'm sending these funds, I'm going to click pay. And then you need to select your payment method. So you might have funds already in your Venmo account that you could use, or if you've linked a bank account, for instance, it'll show up in this area and you just select your payment source. And if you need a tutorial on how to link your bank to your Venmo account, I'll have a separate tutorial video linked down in the description if you'd like to check that out. But here we can see it has selected my bank account, so all I have to do at this point is click send. And then it says cha-ching, payment confirmed. And going back to the home screen of the Venmo application, you might be interested in knowing what's the status of those funds that you've sent. And to find this, just go to the upper right-hand corner and click on these three horizontal lines, which is going to open up the menu. And then in the menu area, we can see the status of these funds that we're trying to send in this incomplete area by clicking on that. And then these were funds that I had sent, so I click on the payment tab. And I can see in this area who I'm sending these funds to, what it's for, and the amount. And if you want, you also have the option to take back the funds. So that's going to wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.